You came on social media, maybe it is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube, and an influencer recommended a stock for you to go and invest in. Without doing your research, you went ahead and invested in that particular stock, only to realize later that you just made a bad investment decision. Now, it is not as if you never wanted to research on that stock before investing in it. It is just that you don't know exactly how to go about researching and analyzing that particular stock before investing in it. And that is why in today's video, I want to show you exactly how you can analyze stocks before investing. So basically, I'll be showing you exactly how you can be able to pick winning stocks so that when you invest, you can actually make good returns on your investments. Before we get started, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is John Agbo. What I do here on this channel is to teach people like you how to make, manage, and multiply their money. So if you want to become smarter with your finance, then want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the button right here and also turn on the bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video here, you'll always be the first person to be notified by YouTube. The reason why a lot of people actually lose money in the stock market is not because the stock market is bad. It is simply because they don't know exactly how to research and pick winning stocks. And that's the reason why in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can research and pick winning stocks step by step. I'll be sharing with you some key things you must look out for before investing in any company. So without further ado, let's jump right into the meat of this video. The very first thing that you want to look out for before investing in any stock is a strong revenue growth. You want to check the financials of the company and see if their revenue has been increasing over the years. So let's say you want to look at the revenue for the past 5 years, and for the past 5 years, you want to be sure that the revenue has been increasing year after year consistently. This is very important because a good business is supposed to be making money year after year. If the business is not making money, it means that the business is not expanding, and that can be a red flag for you not to invest in such a company. The second thing you want to check is profitability. Is the company actually making profit? Because it is not enough for the revenue of the company to be increasing year after year. It is possible for the company to be making money, whereas they are not making profit, because revenue and profit are two different things. So as you are checking the financials of the company, you also want to confirm that the company is making profit, because it is only when the company is making profit that is when investors can also make profit. If the company is not making profit, then they won't be able to pay their investors, because profit is what actually rewards investors. Another key thing you also want to check is debt level. Is the company owing money? If yes, how much are they owing? Because too much debt can destroy a company. If a company is owing too much, just one bad financial year can crash everything. Only invest in a company that has a low debt level or a manageable debt level. The next thing you want to check is management. Who is the person running the company? Is the person a credible leader? Is the person trustworthy? Is the person reliable? Does the leader have the capacity to move the company forward? Because a business can be great, but if the leadership is bad, the leadership can actually crash that particular business. So it is important that the management of that company should have a good track record. Then next, you want to check the industry potential. You want to invest in a company that is playing in an industry that has a potential for growth. We are talking about industries that, even though there is recession, the companies in these industries will continue to thrive. And this is where you can find industries like banking and finance, consumer goods, agriculture, tech, and energy. So these are very good industries. Even though there is recession, even though the economy is down, these industries will continue to thrive. So you want to look at a company that you want to invest in. Look at that stock you want to invest in. Which industry is it playing in? Is there a potential for growth in that industry? If there is recession, can the company continue to survive? If the answer is yes, then it's a green light for you to go ahead and invest in it. One other thing you also want to check is dividend. There are companies that actually pays investors dividend. If the stocks you want to invest in actually pays dividend, they want to check the dividend history. Has the company been consistent with paying dividend over the years? It's a very important factor that you want to check, because if the company has not been consistent in paying dividend over the years, it means that you are also going to be struggling to receive your dividends from that particular company. So check the dividend history of that particular stock. If they have been consistent with paying out dividend, then it's okay to go ahead and invest. So before you actually invest in any stock, you want to ensure that you check all of these things. Is the company profitable? Do they have a good management team? Is there a potential for growth in that company? If the answer is yes, then you just might have a winning stock. If you'd like to go deeper and learn more on how all of these things works, then you can join my beginner stocks investment masterclass, where I go deeper to break down how all these things works. The link to join the free masterclass will be in the video description as well as in the first comment of this video. So if you're interested, then go ahead and click the link to join us, and I can't wait to welcome you inside. That brings us to the end of this video. Before you go, do well to like this video, and also if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to always stay updated by YouTube anytime I upload a new video here. I'll see you in the next video.